Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. I'm just going to show you what we're going to be installing today. Obviously we're going to be installing all that kit there, but we've got videos of that anyway. These are new on our website, which are the steering wheel control buttons, which turn the physical button into a touchscreen panel. And this section here is the electronic window prisms here. They're going to be a little bit plug and play, as you can see on the back there. But I'll be truthful, you will have to pull door panels off to install these, and also the steering wheel control has to come off on this one here. So as you can see, not lit up anyway, you can't see what it says on there, but what I'll do is I'll show you in after this video once you put it all in, and I'll give you a little bit of information on the install as well as the time it's taken to do it. Okay, so I'll crack on, and next part of the video I'll show you installs. Cheers, thank you. So here's the end result, guys. So basically there's not really much I can go into detail on this because it's all pretty much self-explanatory, but these are the steering wheel control buttons panel. We've had to take the steering wheel control off, and these are held in by some bolts at the back, but as you can see, all these now work. Here's your phone button, as you can see, connect your phone, your skip buttons. If I'm doing a volume, it's showing a controlling over there. Press the menu button, that's bringing up the menu there, and also you got your cruise control here, which obviously is not going to show anything because I'm not driving the car at the moment. Heated steering wheel, as you can see, that's flashing up there. This one's your mode button, changes your mode in the background. As you can see, it's doing it on there, and that one's catching up. Let me just lower it down. So that's that side of things taken care of. We've also installed these here, again self-explanatory. If you've got a Range Rover already, you're going to know what they are anyway. So you go your windows, controls obviously all the other windows. You got your window review, ring mirror, extraction, move your ring mirrors here. This is your door locking, as you can see, and I think that's your child lock. As you can see, that's moving there anyway. Okay, yeah, pretty much it, guys. So not much more I can show you on that. Customers also got these installed today. 10.25 inch screen and digital AC. Got other videos on the line showing that. Okay, so we'll put the link on the product in the description down below. All our contact details as always. Any questions, give us a shout, and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye bye.